Here is my face, here is my face. Eyes and ears, nose and mouth, hair and tips, teeth and mouth. I love my face, I love my face.
Unit 2, Lesson 4.
I haven't got legs. I haven't got legs. I have 2 arms. I have 2 arms. I got no hair. I'm a mermaid. I'm a living the sea. I'm a special animal. I haven't got teeth. I haven't got teeth. I haven't got teeth. I got a short tail. I got a short tail. I'm a small head, I'm a seahorse, I'm a living in the sea. I'm special, I'm me.
I haven't got a tail.
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 I've got 8 legs.
I've got 8 legs.
I've got a big body.
I've got a big body. I'm an octopus. I'm a live in the sea. I'm a special, me.
Gosh.